Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, fix blue screen 0xc000000e code on Windows 11, 10. Boot with bootable CD or USB. Click Next, click Repair your computer, click Troubleshoot, click Command Prompt. Type BCD boot. Find your boot drive and Windows installed drive. In my case C is boot drive and D is Windows installed drive. Type bootrec /fix mbr. Type bootrec /fix boot. Type bootsec /nt60 sys. Type bootrec /fix boot. Type /export /bcd backup. Attrib /boot /bcd -h -r -s. Ren /boot /bcd bcd.old. Type bootrec /rebuild bcd. Type bcd boot Windows installed drive letter colan /Windows /s boot drive colan /f all. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.